Kiko family, how we doing, how we living? We are on the way to Fly High to get Terrence exhaust installed. Let's go. If you guys don't know Terrence, you guys give him a follow. M2 Black Eagle, all the way out from Arizona. It's coming out to Beamer Fest, and also he is getting the diamond exhaust installed today on his G87 M2. Super excited. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna sound amazing. Can y'all hear that? Is the mic properly adjusted now? Because this Z4 sounds so good. Does anybody else still drive manual? I'm kind of wondering, am I like just way too old now and I think manual's still cooler than automatic or DCT or any of these, you know, trannies? Pause. Alright, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, but PDK does get down, you know, but ain't nothing like downshifting, rev matching. Alright, I'm trying a new mic placement real quick to see how this sounds. Mr. Terrence himself. I caught him right when he got off the freeway. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. All right, y'all, we made it. Z4 still good, and we got the homie Terrence here, guys. Came in at the same time. Wild. How you doing, man? Good. How's the drive?
It was good.
Good. No complaints. And hi. How you been? Bro, I thought you were on your tip right now. So you eat a hot pocket. Benny, this is Terrence. Terrence, this is Benny. He's the one from really cool people from AZ.
Oh, nice.
Huge connection network out there. Mr. Retired Life over here. Dang, like a boss over here. First week waking up going, oh yeah, I ain't gotta go to the office today.
Right.
Tired? He ain't tired. He'll take the next month off, and then after that, be like, all right, time to put some work in again. Oh, y'all too cute right now. Is them matching shoes? That matching shoes? Nah. Ah, snap. Wait, what? Is that just a sticker or? No, you did not buy BMW suitcase. That's. All right, I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna just go home. All right, a little bit of technical not difficulties, but since he had the single equal length mid pipe on this car, he doesn't have the crossover pipe, but lucky for him, I have an extra crossover pipe in my storage. But the part thing on that is that's all the way back in Irvine. Currently, we are in Flyhigh at Fontana. So, good thing though is we have the homie Sean. He was already out there, so he's gonna be grabbing the keys from Drew and going to the storage place, getting a crossover pipe, bringing it back here, and so that this car can get done today. Yeah. All right, so homie Sean was able to get the crossover pipe from my storage. Ta-da! We got the mid pipe in, getting the muffler and the axle back in, and yeah. Let's see how this thing sounds when it's all together, baby. Let's get it. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. Got the exhaust on, sounds amazing. Gonna go ahead and hit him up, tell him to come pick it up, and yeah, thank you Flyhigh again. Flyhigh, awesome. Benny, always handling our installs for Diamond Exhaust, and yeah, let's get this back to the customer. Let's get it. Getting there. You just got it installed. How you like it, bro?
Oh man, I love it.
You love it?
Amazing.
Yeah,
Let's
bro,
go. You guys did your thing.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
I'm about to load up a bunch of content.
Let's go. Let's go. Y'all be easy. Drive safely, man.